Well, it's been a rough month for the three of us. Chris is getting better, sort of. That is, if he listens to his doctor and his wife and gives his back a chance to mend by resting, which I might have to duct tape him down to get him to do that. Gentlemen out there, listen to your wives. We know best.
Well, it's the 22nd. It's Monday morning, and Grizz and I are out doing a little walk. This is the most I've done in almost 2 weeks. Oh, I love the beauty here. We got a call yesterday afternoon from our physician saying that the squamous cell that they thought was a cancerous pissed off mole was in fact a cancerous pissed off mole. So they scheduled us for on the 8th to have a surgery to have the margins removed, which means they're going to go back in and do a little more extensive cutting. If you don't have your health, you don't have anything. So we're going to be here until Sunday, and then we're going to move on back over to Meridian, that RV resort, which is a wonderful little place to be. We'll be there for 3 weeks. Kurt is going to be coming down to visit with us.
And Grizz is taking care of his daddy.
Well, it's the 22nd. It's Monday morning, and Grizz and I are out doing a little walk. This is the most I've done in almost 2 weeks, and it feels good to be out. We're going to be heading back to the RV shortly, but I'm going to see if I've got enough strength left to be able to make it over to Paul's and say hello to him and Jeff if they're there. Talk to you in a bit. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Christmas and a great New Year's. Morning. This is the 22nd or the 23rd. It's Tuesday. And it's a big, beautiful morning. I mean, take a look at what the sun's been doing. Oh, I love the beauty here. We got a call yesterday afternoon from our physician saying that the squamous cell that they thought was a cancerous pissed off mole was in fact a cancerous pissed off mole. So they scheduled us for on the 8th to have a surgery to have the margins removed, which means they're going to go back in and do a little more extensive cutting. Try to get all the edges of the cancer to make sure that it hasn't gotten to anything else. It's a little unnerving because it's right on a rib. Don't want it to get to the lung, and don't want it to eat up the bone. That would be more problems for me. So, with a little help from above, everything will go the right way and we'll have a nice clean chest again. Thank you for your support and your help and all the wonderful prayers we've been getting. It means so very much to us. Now, Grizz and I are going to go out and finish the rest of our walk this morning. It's a short one. I did too much yesterday. Talk to you after a bit. Good morning. It's Christmas Eve day. Shelley and Grizz and I are going to be going over to some families later on this afternoon and spending a little time with our family there and their kids. And then we'll come back to the RV to relax and snuggle in for a nice, early, quiet, relaxing evening. We'll think about the meaning of Christmas. Grizz and I are doing another walk. I'm actually getting out and doing a little more, but damn, my back still hurts. Hoping it gets better quick. If you don't have your health, you don't have anything. So we're doing better. It's just, when it's you, it always seems like it just takes so long to get done. We've done a short but a little bit longer than usual walk, and we're headed back to the RV now. It's an amazing, cool day, clouds have come in. There's some big storm off the eastern Pacific. And it's supposed to get nasty and wet and then clear up real quick. We don't know. Whatever it is, it'll be perfect. Kind of feels like snow now. Not that I know that much about snow. Hope you guys are having a wonderful Christmas. And I hope we all have a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas, everyone. So what's my big baby thinking? Are you unhappy little guy? You hear all the little noises and it gets your attention? Hey, pretty boy. You know you're one of the cutest little guys I know? Oh, yes you are. You little sun lizard. Good boy.
Christmas was nice. We know that 2026 will be an awesome year. Insiders, thank you all for everything.
Well, it's Christmas Day, and Shelley and I had a wonderful time last night over with Chuck and Carrie and all the kids. It was such a neat family get-together. Grizz had a pretty good time too, but he was outnumbered with all the other family dogs, so he had to mind his P's and Q's. He's such a good little boy, and we really do love him. We just wanted to touch bases with you Christmas Day, and we had a wonderful night, an evening with so many great, wonderful people. I still don't know what I've done to my side, but it's getting better. It's just not as fast as I'd like it to be. So forgive me if I gimp around a little bit. I'm still not at a point where I can lift weights, but I'm sure it'll get there. At least I'm not taking any narcotics that I got from the emergency room the other day. They help, but I hate the feeling. So we're going to be here until Sunday, and then we're going to move on back over to Meridian, that RV resort, which is a wonderful little place to be. We'll be there for 3 weeks. Kurt is going to be coming down to visit with us. There's a chance we'll get an opportunity, it's just a chance, it's not for sure, to interview the people at Liberty Wildlife. That's a place that Kurt used to work at before, and maybe give them a great plug for the wonderful things that they do for the wildlife in this state. We're looking forward to spending some time with him. Maybe Paul and I can take him for lunch over at the Elks. We'll have a good time with that. It's going to be so great to see him again. And then it's just settle in and try to get better, the both of us. Shelley and I both got home at about almost 11 o'clock last night. We both gimped into bed, went to sleep, wonderful dreams, and had a great time. So thank you guys all. I hope you had a super Merry Christmas, and we're looking forward to a wonderful New Year with us. And the 8th, I get the rest of this cancer taken care of that's on my chest, and I'm looking forward to no more issues. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Lord. Merry Christmas.
We have another move coming this weekend. We've worked out a system that can work if we're careful. We'll let you know if it's successful. And Happy New Year to all our viewers.